In
Welcome
today's
in new
digital
era of
era,
refurbished
networking
laptops.
security is essential to protect sensitive information and ensure business continuity. With cyber attacks and data breaches on the rise, robust measures like firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection systems are vital to safeguard networks and comply with data protection regulations. Comprehensive protection for your business. Our advanced networking security solutions provide real time threat detection, encryption, and regular updates to ensure a multi layered defense against cyber threats. Employee training complements these systems, creating a secure organizational framework. LAN security solutions. Our LAN security solutions employ encryption, role based access controls, and regular updates to protect sensitive data and maintain network integrity. These measures mitigate insider threats and secure local communications. Advanced firewall systems. Advanced firewalls with deep packet inspection (DPI) and intrusion prevention systems (IDPS) ensure robust protection against unauthorized access while enabling secure, seamless communication. Biometric security systems. Biometric systems like fingerprint and facial recognition provide accurate and reliable access control, safeguarding both physical and digital assets with advanced identification technology. Smart gate lock solutions. Smart gate locks integrate with surveillance systems for remote access and monitoring, enhancing security and operational efficiency. High definition surveillance cameras (HD cameras) offer superior image quality, real time monitoring, and cloud storage, enabling organizations to prevent and investigate security incidents effectively. Professional router configuration services. Proper router configuration ensures secure, optimized network performance with advanced firewall settings, secure protocols, and continuous monitoring. Our solutions integrate seamlessly with existing systems, offering reliability, scalability, and 24/7 support. As your business grows, our adaptive security measures protect your assets and ensure operational integrity. Investing in state of the art networking security ensures compliance, protects sensitive data, and builds customer trust. Secure your digital landscape today with our comprehensive solution as tailored to your needs. Get in touch with us on this on connect at usedcomputerindia.com plus 91 98 11 057 905.